As the Hathras victims' family comes to terms with the death and the forced cremation of their daughter, a shocking video of the district magistrate threatening the family has now emerged. Here's more.
They've lost their daughter. They were denied one final glimpse and the chance to bid her goodbye. And now they're being threatened by the local administration.
आप बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप फैमिली को जाके इंटिमिडेट भी कर रहे हैं सर। इतनी ऑलरेडी गरीब फैमिली है, डरी हुई है।
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए।
A shocking video of the Hathras district magistrate trying to intimidate the 19-year-old's family has emerged. In the video, the DM can be seen talking to the family, asking them if they want to change their statement.
आप अपनी विश्वसनीयता खत्म मत करिए। तो मीडिया वाले मैं आपको बता दूं, आज अभी आधे चले गए, कल सुबह तक आधे और निकल जाएंगे, 2-4 बजेंगे कल रात को, तो हम ही आपके साथ खड़े हैं। अब आपकी इच्छा, आपको बार-बार बयान बदलना नहीं बदलना है, अभी हम भी बदल जाए कि नहीं।
As the video went viral, the Hathras victims' family has come out to say that yes, they are indeed under pressure.
बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारी लड़की अगर कोरोना से मर जाती तो मुआवजा मिल जाता। ये सब धमकियां मिल रही हैं, पापा को धमकाया जा रहा है।
ये बोल रहा है कि केस मतलब रफा दफा हो जाएगा, अगर
सब केस रफा दफा हो जाएगा। अब ये लोग हमें यहाँ रहने नहीं देंगे। डीएम ज्यादा ही चालबाजी कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों के साथ में इतना प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं जबरदस्ती कि हम लोगों ने इतने लोग तुम्हारी बात का कोई भरोसा नहीं है।
But the DM, who's in the midst of the row, says there's no pressure on the family.
कुल 6 परिजन थे, उनके साथ बैठकर लगभग 1 से 1.5 घंटे तक वार्ता हुई और उन्होंने सभी मांगों पर सहमति दी और उन पर किसी प्रकार का कोई दबाव नहीं था और उसका हमारे पास पूरा जो बातचीत का है वो उसका वीडियो भी हमारे पास है। मैंने उनका यही जानने का प्रयास किया कि उनकी नाराज़गी का क्या कारण है, लेकिन इस तरीके से नकारात्मक जो खबरें चलाई जा रही है उसका मैं खंडन करता हूँ।
With their faith in the Uttar Pradesh administration and the police shaken, the girl's father and brother are now demanding a CBI investigation.
यहाँ से हमें दबाव देकर लेके गया कि तो वहाँ जनपद थाने लेके पहुँचे गए योगी सिपाही ग्रामी वहाँ लेके वहाँ PWD में उनका पूरा प्रेशर था और मेरी जो इसकी केस की बिटिया की जांच होनी चाहिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज के द्वारा CBI जांच होनी चाहिए।
हमारे साथ आगे के दबाव बनाए तो जो मीडिया पर शेयर ना हो पाएगी चीज। छत पे भी है मैम, छत पे बैठी हुई है पुलिस। कल यही दबाव तो डाला गया है, सारा कुछ इन्होंने तो करवाया है और सारे बिल्कुल वो छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
The family's demand for a CBI probe comes just a day after they spoke to UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who assured the family that the accused won't be spared. But with the DM caught threatening the family, is there any hope for justice? With Tanushree Pandey, Bureau Report, India Today.
And Tanushree Pandey, who's been breaking every twist and turn and getting all the facts first here on India Today, is joining us now live, reporting from Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. Tanushree, the DM threatening the victim's family, it's been captured on video as well. If you could just confirm this, because the DM has clearly said that the media is going to go at some point, but we're going to be here. What is it exactly that the DM has said, and isn't it a confirmation that they've threatened the family?
Well, Chaiti, I think what the bureaucrats of UP are doing, they are going about exposing their own system through their actions, and it shows nothing else but the sad state of affairs in Uttar Pradesh. First, a girl went through the most horrific experience, absolutely nightmarish to say the least. Then she succumbed to the injuries. Then the family couldn't even get a chance to catch the last glimpse of their daughter. The police decided to burn the body without letting the family know. Then after all this, the district magistrate of this area goes to to the family and he tells them that do not believe the media. Media is today, media will go back to Delhi tomorrow. It's we with whom you have to live. If this is not intimidation, Chaiti, then what is it? I spoke to the district magistrate. I kept questioning him that, sir, what was your intention? If your intention was not to threaten the family, not to put a family which is going through so much, they are already very poor, extremely old. What was your intention? He kept absolutely silent. He did not answer a single question, Chaiti. So if his intention was not bad, if his intention was not to threaten the family, he would have definitely given at least a defense. But a defense has come from the district magistrate and he is saying that I wasn't trying to intimidate the family. I was trying to inform the family, make them aware about the facts. But this is clear intimidation. I mean, district magistrate going to a family who have lost their daughter, who couldn't even see their daughter for one last time in flesh. District magistrate telling them that, see, do not change your statement. Otherwise, it's the bureaucrats. It's us. It's the system with whom you have to live tomorrow. So please think wisely. If this is not intimidation, Chaiti, then what is it? Is the district magistrate in an authority to not? Shouldn't he have, been to the family, calmed them down, assured them justice? Family has already told us very categorically that we are under pressure. Our statements are under duress. And in that kind of a situation, district magistrate is going inside and again threatening the family, intimidating them.
And he was evasive when you interrogated him as well. Tanushree was the only reporter that reached there to interrogate him as well. And he was absolutely evasive to my colleague Tanushree Pandey. She's getting us all the details. Tanushree, continue to stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.